Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to show you some of the new products on my right hand. For this one is flip-fold tables and they're made by all stainless steel units. So we can turn around to see the back of the units. All the standing, the feet right here, the legs, and you can just simply pull it up and to the other side. And dimensions of the units, it's about like 47 inches in the length and 31.5 inches in the width. And the overall height of the unit is about like 31.5 inches tall. So that's what will be all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.